MJ23 Bama again. I'm just going to show the install of the spark plugs for the 2018 Hyundai Elantra 1.6 liter turbo. Again, dealership wants $290 plus tax. If you want to come over here with the video, my stepson's helping me videotape this because I need two hands to do this. So you guys are going to take the extension spark plug socket. You want to come over here? We're going to put it in the hole, righty-tighty. Do hand tight at first. This is how simple this is. It's probably going to take you less than a couple of minutes just to do one. Now I'm going to attach my ratchet. If you guys don't feel comfortable doing this by yourself, get a professional to do it, but you can definitely save a ton of money doing it yourself. So to save $220 is pretty good, I think. Once that's tight enough, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this, put it back in the hole, cinch it down. This part, as I mentioned earlier, just comes off like this. You're gonna plug it right in, push it on. You're gonna take your 10mm screw, put it back in the hole, tighten it back down, and then you'll be done. And then all you have to, once you go through all four of them, you just put the cover on like before, and then you'll be done with your install.